Gonna go ahead and replace this disposal. This is leaking. We're gonna use this new and improved tool. It's called Dr. Disposal. Makes it so easy. Easy peasy.
Beautiful cool girl.
You need to drop it. That's kind of cool. Oh, alright, let's do this. Let's do this, sir. Okay. First, we gotta drain the P-trap. You might as well just let it go from here, here, and then there. And that way you don't have to remove so much stuff. Now these fittings, you can hand tighten them nice and snug. And that usually does the job. Some people like to crank them. No, do the other one. The other one. The bottom lowest. There you go. That one. Perfect. See, and then that whole piece just drops. What we're gonna do is, if the filtration system keeps leaking out of that black hose, we'll just shut it off. But for the most part, it looks like it'll be alright. Okay. Cool. Drain the poo-poo water. Loosen that bad boy right there. That's your dishwasher drain hose. For those that didn't know, now you know.
The left bone is connected to the
Right bone. This is disposal replacements 101 super beginners class.
strong magnet.
I know, I like it. And now we're gonna go ahead and break this guy free. You're probably gonna need this guy right here to pull it like that. Alright, let me try it. We'll probably have to get a sawzall and cut it if it doesn't want to break free. Because sometimes they get fused on there. Sometimes too. It's like, just give it a little tappy tappy. The same vibrations will loosen it up. Baby, love me, don't hate me. Voila. Well, usually first what you want to do actually is you want to break that hose free. We don't put any extra stress on the air gap. Oh, damn it. Oh, yeah. That was so awesome. I don't know where that water's coming from.
From the garbage folder. From the bucket.
Move it. Ew.
Cook it. Relax.
Need some rags. We didn't bring rags, huh? It's going so great. Yeah, I'll go with some rags right now. Okay, we'll remove this guy.
Stanky.
Stanky. Yeah, we'll worry about it right now. Right now, if you want, just break those 3 bolts free.
Do you have everything there?
Yeah.
It's freaking
Okay.
pull out all the stuff. Nasty.
Yeah. It'll leak through that, so.
You didn't hear it, huh?
Hmm?
You didn't hear it?
Hear what?
It's leaking.
I saw it, but I didn't see it leaking that much. Surprised it was holding that much water in it.
Or why?
Yeah.
Yes.
If it doesn't, I'll go get the saw though. If you could break 1 free, you're good. You're trying to tighten it. Yeah, you were. See? Right there, and then you can just, where's the flathead? The flathead. You can use the flathead, you're gonna have to get that little spring out of there. That should be enough. What? Just like right here, bro. There's that spring, the little ring. You gotta pop it out. If not, it's not gonna come out. Yeah. Pop it down. Yeah. There you go. Got the ring off. And we got the strainer. What's holding it? See it? Nice. Cool. Okay, we got some putty. Alright, that's 1